Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Paging for Miss Marden Mia Annabelle. Miss Marden Mia Annabelle, kindly identify yourself to any of the cabin crew, please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Penang authorities require the cabin to be disinfected with a non-toxic spray recommended by the World Health Organization. Meanwhile, please remain seated. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning from the flight deck. This is your captain speaking. My name is Kunal Dutt. On behalf of all of the crew, I'd like to welcome you on board Singapore Airlines Flight 132 and this service bound for Penang. With me in the flight deck this morning, our Senior First Officer Sufyan and First Officer Aaron. And looking after your safety and comfort in the cabin, we have a lovely team of cabin crew led by your cabin in charge, the excellent Miss Ayu. Estimated flight time to Penang this morning is just 1 hour, hoping to get up to a cruising altitude of 34,000 feet. Departing Singapore to the north, we'll make a left turn shortly after we get airborne and overflying Kuala Lumpur in Peninsular Malaysia before we commence our descent. I'll come back to you at that point with the latest weather updates into Penang. Now, as your safety is very important to us, I do ask that you please give your full undivided attention to the upcoming safety demonstration. On that note, I do recommend that you have your seatbelts fastened anytime you're in your seats. Now, I'd like to wish you all a very pleasant flight. And as always, we thank you so much for choosing to fly with Singapore Airlines. Once again, a very warm welcome on board.
Cabin crew doors closed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard SQ132 to Penang. We are pleased to be carrying passengers of our Star Alliance partners. All electronic devices must now be put in flight safe mode. Please approach our cabin crew if you require assistance. We wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize that we are unable to screen the safety video due to a technical problem with the video system. We will now demonstrate the use of safety equipment on these aircraft. Please give your attention to the crew member in front of your cabin. First, fasten your seat belt like this and tighten it. To release, lift this catch. Now the use of your life vest. Your life vest is under your seat or under the armrest between your seats. Slip the life vest over your head and bring the waist strap around your waist. Connect the clip and tighten it by pulling it outwards. You should inflate your life vest only at the exit door. To inflate your life vest, pull the red tabs firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into these mouthpieces. There is a whistle and a light for attracting attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In case of decompression, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Remove your face mask before joining the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. Your oxygen supply is now regulated, and it is normal that the oxygen bag does not fully inflate. If you're traveling with a child, attend to yourself first, then to the child. Please note where the emergency exits on these aircraft are located. During evacuation, do not carry your hand luggage with you. If smoke is present, keep near to the floor and follow the lights to the nearest exit. The safety information card in your seat pocket contains the brace position and additional information. Please read it carefully before takeoff. All other portable electronic devices like laptops and notebooks must be stowed for taxi, takeoff and landing. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on all our flights. Any attempt to smoke in the toilets will set off the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention. Cabin crew, please arm your slides and cross-check.
Cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts and draw up your window shades. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, always keep your seatbelts fastened while seated. When the seatbelt sign is on, toilets should not be used and hot beverage service will be suspended. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. Your captain from the flight deck once more. Trust you've enjoyed your flight with us thus far. Presently cruising at 34,000 feet with 145 miles to run for Penang's International Airport. We'll shortly be commencing our descent. Weather conditions on the ground, winds out of the north in Penang this morning, visibility of 8 kilometers with a current surface temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. And subject to air traffic control, we look to be touching down at 15 minutes past 9 o'clock in the morning local time, and there is no time difference between Penang and Singapore. On behalf of all the crew on board today, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Singapore Airlines. It's been our pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to see you again on another flight very, very soon. Thank you. I wish you all a very pleasant day ahead and best wishes for the Lunar New Year. Cabin crew, if you kindly prepare the aircraft for arrival, please. Thank you.
Cabin crew, secure cabin for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, all electronic devices must now be put in flight safe mode. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, before arrival into Penang, passengers carrying more than 10,000 US dollars or its foreign equivalent must declare the amount on the Customs Form 7 at Customs. Please also note that Malaysia has strict laws against drug trafficking. In preparation for arrival, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table, handset and footrest, and ensure your window shades are drawn up. For passengers at the overwing exits, please ensure your window shades are open. Please also note where the emergency exits are located. Thank you.
Cabin crew to your landing stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts and draw up your window shades. Thank you. Welcome to Penang, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been a pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Cabin crew, doors to the south.